products to come up with how we can supply low power, we can get power to supply to low power devices, and my friend will talk more about it.
We're surrounded by a lot of low power devices. When we started this program, we didn't start with air conditioners. We were pretty comfortable. Sometimes all you need is your mobile phone, maybe your tablet. You're very productive. Where I come from, I really prefer to sleep with a fan. Maybe you have not heard of bladeless fans. Maybe you have not heard of LED powered touchlights. But we can truly power our lives with low power devices. So our solutions today are all around that. So imagine Amma, she's a student, maybe here in Ashesi. Imagine Amma's mother, she's called Mama. She's a market trader. She sits in the sun all day. Her father is a farmer. He goes into the bush. He does not have access to the main lines, but he likes to listen to his music. And her brother is a teacher. So most of the time his presentations are on his tablet. So how can our solutions help them? See, like Mama, he has a cap on. She's always in an hat. She can charge her phone and stay connected. You see, although Papa is an old man, he really likes his music. So with his headphone, he has his organic cells on and he keeps his devices charged. We have also the phone case that gently powers the devices. And you know, Amma, she has very nice skins. Like the sun should not be eating her. So she walks around with her umbrella, keeping her devices charged. But sometimes you really need to look expensive and premium. And that's why you have a bag like that. And you're also conscious of the environment and doing good. So today it was all about sustainable design while living comfortable lives.